What's up, guys? K-357 coming to you here. Today is Monday, March the 4th. So, I've got a real treat for you today. And we've got a limited supply of these. And this is a IFAK, also known as an individual first aid kit, packed with necessary items in the event of some sort of medical emergency. We're certainly going to, carry them out on the range. But these are nice. These are nice. And as you can see, they're just chock full of stuff in here that you may need for a medical emergency and so forth. This is a full one here. And like I say, I don't know how many we've got. I got to count them. I've got a limited supply. And so when they're gone, they're gone. $59. $59. I looked on the internet, and internet prices are right at $70. This thing's probably really worth, probably $80 or $90, maybe even $100 or more. But we're going to have them at $59. $59. So let's just go through real quick and see what you get in these. You get these cards right here. These are what they call First Responder Self-Buddy Aid Immediate Action Cards. Just a plethora of information on there for various emergencies and how to deal with it out in the field when you're away from a medical facility. You get all of that. You have an airway. You have an airway right here with an adjustable flange. Comes with that. You have, well, I'll pick that up last. I dropped it. You have a tourniquet. Tourniquet that comes in there. You have a Z-Pack dressing, sterile wound packing. Got that right there. That comes in it. You have an Asherman chest seal for a chest wound, as you can see right there. And you medical folks out there, maybe you combat, well, ain't no maybe about it, combat medics and so forth, you know exactly what all this stuff is. I'm no doctor or medical person. I mean, I know at the PD we were taught how to apply a tourniquet and things like that. We carried tourniquets with us. This here is an angio cath that comes with this as well. Surplus Army stuff, if you hadn't already figured it out. But this is brand new stuff. Leak-proof airtight seal that comes with this here in this little airtight packet. Gloves. You have a Camovac cravat camouflage triangular bandage. It gives you just a number of uses there on the back that you could use that for. Vionex Healthcare antiseptic towelettes. A face shield right there is what you get with that there. You also have Vaseline petroleum gauze there as well. And then let me pick it up off the floor because it dropped. We have the emergency bandage, hemorrhage control compression bandage. That's all in there. All of this, and of course there's the empty packet right there. Lots of pockets and so forth in it. Also medical type scissors that come with it as well. This is the packet. All right, there's the packet. And this stuff's brand new now. This ain't nothing used. It's brand new, the packet and all and everything. IFAK individual first aid kit. And like I said, I got a limited number of these. I don't know, there might be 15 of them, maybe a little more over there. But when they're gone, they're gone. $59. That's the deal, folks. $59. Get them while they last. I will have them out. We just got to put them in the register and code them and tag them. So that's my deal. Molly's over there barking at something. I don't know what's going on. We're getting ready to open up about 10 o'clock, so somebody might have pulled up out there. We had a great concealed carry class Saturday. Congratulations. We had about 50 folks in that class. Great class, a great crowd. So now there's many more citizens out there that are eligible to apply for the North Carolina Concealed Carry Permit. Our next one is the 16th of this month, and then I got a couple already on my website for April. In case any of y'all notice right there, old Ash, man, he's about 11-week-old now. My 11-week-old black lab got me right there, so I'm probably not going to shave for a few days to let that heal. His little claws, his nails they're sharp. He just jumped up on me, and they're really sharp. And his teeth are very sharp too. He likes to bite. He likes to bite your earlobe. But he's a good little dog. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it out here because we got to get these IFAKs out and a little bit more tidying up there to go. So you can visit our website to sign up for classes at CarolinaFirearmstraining.com. You can also call us at 708-5475. That's area code 919-708-5475. We're located out in the Tramway area in Sanford, just up the road from Davidson Steakhouse and just down from Midway Auto and Tire. We're at 1606 Westover Drive, Sanford, NC 27330. We got a bunch, and I mean a bunch, of Defender ammo, all calibers that we've got in here. We got a boatload of that stuff in Friday, and then some more in Saturday, I believe. No, it was Friday. We got the rest of the ammo that we had ordered from them, and we got lots of other stuff. I've got more AR-15 parts and supplies and things like that. So this store is really taking on a different look here as we make room for more product in store for you. So, all right, so till see you next time, stay armed and stay safe.